If you would love to preserve that deep, rich brown color in your deck, oiling might be just the trick. Before you start, make sure you read the e-pay can for warnings. Also, make sure that all of the boards are end sealed. First, pour as much oil as you need onto a paint tray. Based on the size of your deck, you can apply oil with a paint roller or a brush. Apply an even layer of oil to the surface or deck. After a few minutes of letting the oil dry, take a rag and wipe off the excess oil. Once the deck is oiled, we need to dispose of everything properly. Rags can self-combust when soaked in oil, so follow these simple steps to ensure a safe cleanup. Fill the empty e-pay can, or a metal can, all the way to the top with water. Put all of the rags in the can and dispose of in accordance with your local ordinances. This is what the deck looks like oiled. Now we have that rich brown color we were looking for. It is good to maintain your Advantage lumber deck to ensure it lives up to its full lifespan. Make sure you sweep off debris, dirt, and leaves regularly. Pressure wash and oil when needed. This will be different depending on where you live, but it will be about once a year. With the proper care, your Advantage lumber deck will stay beautiful for decades. Check out AdvantageLumber.com for any and all of your decking needs.